Okay, hopefully you were able to get through your email and verify the account. And then once you were able to verify, there was a button for you to click Get Started. And when you get started, it brings you to this dashboard. And then this is just where we're going to set things up. And you'll see that there's a lot of, not really a lot, but there's some different things here. And especially over here on the left side, don't worry about any of this. You do not have to spend any money for this program. It's free. You can create as many floor plans as you want. That's the whole point of it, is to get you started with a free account, especially through Google. It's great. So you're going to click on Create Project. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to name it Practice Floor, because we're not going to, we're not going to work. I'm just going to basically show you how to set things up, and this is not the final one. And again, you can create multiple projects. So when I click on Create Project, it's going to bring me to this page right here, or we can upload an image. Don't worry about that. We want an empty plan because I'd really like you to go from here. Okay, so this is your workspace. It's great. Nothing much more than a piece of graph paper. There's a few filters up here which change what things look like. Now, this is the only thing I want you to do. By clicking on Draw Room, and this is the build icon, you've got different things you can do. Draw a surface, wall, room, place doors, windows. This is where we're going to construct everything. We'll get to the 3D stuff a little bit later. So please remember, do me a big favor. Watch this and do this. Either draw wall or draw room. When you click on it, it's going to ask you to thickness, and you're like, thickness of what? Well, the wall thickness of your house. It says it's 5 7/8. So I'm going to keep these little marks right here, those little quotations, because that signifies inches. And I'm going to drop this down either by using the minus over here, or I'm just going to click in and I'm going to type 4 inches. And once I click out of the box, that's going to keep it consistent for room and wall. The wall height I'm good with. Now, once I go into this workspace, you'll see that my cursor changes from an arrow to a crosshatch. And once I click anywhere, I'm going to click. I don't know why that clicked out. Draw a room, and you'll see it's there. I'm going to click and drag a room, and you'll see how it fills in. This is important for later on. Now, if I want to put something in here, now pay attention to the size. It says that my room is 26 feet by 17 feet. That's a huge room. So what I'm going to do is just drop this down a little bit, drop that down, and that's pretty much it. You've drawn a floor. And if you want to draw a wall, what you can do, if you click in there and you can see that little dotted line light up, that means, hey, it's in the right spot. It's clicked into the middle of the wall, and you'll see that your wall thickness is 4, and we're good to go. So I can, and anytime you see that guideline, that blue line, that signifies that it's perpendicular or 90 degrees to another wall, which is great. And when I'm going to close in another portion, again, it's going to give me a guideline. That dotted line tells me that it's a 90-degree wall, which is great. And then when I see that interior guideline with the exterior wall, it means I'm clicked right in. So, and I've got like a clinger here. So as soon as I want to get out of it, I'm going to press escape. So that's it. So hopefully you were able to, one, find a floor plan on houseplans.com, download it over here to your desktop for later on. 2, you're able to sign up for Floor Planner going through using Google, or you signed up on your own, but make sure you go to your email and verify, because it will allow you to go right here, get started, and practice. Okay. Now, if you want to go off on your own for now and just start drawing stuff and messing around with things, great. But what we're going to do together is set up a practice floor plan. I'm going to walk you through some very specific things, just really short videos, and then we're building. It's going to be great. So, miss you guys a lot. Looking forward to getting back into class. Again, don't worry about a due date on this. I know you've got a lot of assignments coming your way. This is meant to be fun. And we'll talk to you soon. All right.